Hey everyone, it's Jay from Three Rivers Outdoors. My son and I are here today to show you our simple and easy method for brining a turkey. This is going to be part one of part two series where we're going to brine the turkey, show you how that works, and then the second step will be to show you how to smoke it. This is our recipe for the greatest brine we think that's out there. So what I'm going to start with, you need a large pot and 2 gallons of water. If you don't have a pot that'll hold your turkey submersed, then what you need to do is get a food grade bucket. I do not recommend going to a Home Depot because those buckets are not food grade. So what we're going to start with is 1.5 cups of canning salt. Do not use iodized salt. Go get yourself some pickling and canning salt. So this is going to be 1.5 cups. The water in the container is lukewarm. We don't recommend boiling it because it does take a little bit of the flavor away. So once you've added your salt, then you're going to add a 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce into your mix. You'll add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. After the minced garlic, the next ingredient is 3 tablespoons of ground black pepper. Then we're going to add 2 whole shallots sliced nicely kind of thin. Next, we're going to add some rosemary. Now, we grow our own rosemary in the backyard. These are just 3 sprigs of rosemary, which we're going to toss into our mix. And then we're also going to add 2 bay leaves. Lastly, and we're going to put these on the bottom and around the top, are going to be 1 whole large navel orange sliced thin. And that'll give it the sweetness. Some people like to add brown sugar. I think brown sugar makes it a little too sweet. We're going to add half of this now, and we're going to put half of it on the top when we put the turkey in. So guys, the next step in your turkey process of brining is to make sure you've rinsed your turkey and removed all of the entrails and trimmed. You will find sometimes there's a neck or a bag in there. You want to make sure that you remove that part before brining. Once you've done that, then what you're going to do is you're going to take your turkey off your pan or wherever you had it, and lift your entire bird into the pot and make sure that it's completely and totally submerged. Then you'll see some of the stuff will float to the top. We've saved a few of the oranges just to lay here on top of the turkey. Want to make sure it's completely pushed down and all of your flavors are going to kind of immerse or be soaked into this turkey. So now the next step is to let this sit for 2 days. While you wait, you want to make sure it's refrigerated, either in your garage, a cooler, depending on how cold it is outside. But you want to make sure that this turkey stays cold for 2 days. And after this brining process, what will then happen is you're going to find that when the turkey's ready to come out, you want to rinse it thoroughly to get it ready for the smoker, and we'll talk about that in part 2 of our video. So everyone, thanks for watching our video on how to brine a turkey. We think this is one of the best recipes we've ever had, and we can assure you that once your family tries this turkey recipe on the smoker, they'll never want to eat a turkey that's cooked in the oven again. Thanks again for watching part 1 of our series on how to smoke a turkey. This is how to brine. Part 2 will be on how to actually do the smoking part. We hope your family has a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching Three Rivers Outdoors, and stay tuned for our next video.